is Animal Life on ARCN TV. I am Fatima Suleiman. Today on the program, we are examining one of the animals that are experts at disguise with their unique ability to change color, blend in with their surroundings, and adapt to their environment. We showcase the chameleon. Please stay tuned. The chameleon, belonging to the family Chameleonidae, is a fascinating species of lizard renowned for its extraordinary ability to change colors and brightness levels, with over 160 species across various regions including Madagascar, Spain, Africa, Asia, and Portugal. Chameleons exhibit distinctive physical characteristics such as large eyes and curled tails. One of their most impressive features is their ability to alter their skin color to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, serving as an effective defense mechanism against predators. This remarkable adaptability allows chameleons to transform their skin into a wide range of colors, including pink, blue, red, orange, green, black, brown, light blue, yellow, and turquoise. The chameleon scientific name Chameleon. The chameleon's scientific name Chameleon originates from the Greek words chame, meaning on the ground, and leon, meaning lion. This genus comprises over 160 species of lizard, primarily found in Africa, Madagascar, Southern Europe, and Asia. Chameleons are celebrated for their ability to alter their coloration to seamlessly blend with their surroundings, whether it's a tree or rock. Additionally, they possess a unique visual ability, allowing them to move each eye independently, thereby expanding their field of vision. Chameleons are fascinating creatures. They are known for their extraordinary ability to change color and blend seamlessly into their surroundings. With over 200 species, they exhibit diverse range of shapes, size, and colors. Typically, chameleons have flattened bodies, long tails, and specialized feet with 5 digits, allowing them to grasp branches with ease. Their eyes can move independently, enabling them to scan their environment efficiently. Additionally, chameleons possess a remarkable protruding tongue, which they use to capture prey such as insects and small lizards. These incredible reptiles can change in size from a mere 2 inches to an impressive 24 inches length. Many species display vibrant hues of green and yellow, adorned with intricate patterns of spots, making them truly eye-catching creatures. Chameleons are widely distributed across various regions, including the jungles and deserts of Africa, Asia, and Southern Europe. They have also been introduced to parts of North America. Chameleons inhabit a variety of habitats including tropical rainforests, deserts, savannas, and mountains. They are typically found in trees, bushes, and leaf litter, where they can blend in and hunt for insects. Now, let's look at the physical characteristics of chameleons. Chameleons are distinctive creatures with several notable physical features. One of their most striking characteristics is their feet, each of which has 5 toes that resemble a human thumb and fingers. These toes enable chameleons to climb trees with ease, allowing them to perch on high branches. Additionally, their prehensile tails serve as an extra limb wrapping around tree branches to provide stability and support while climbing. Another feature of chameleon is their ability to change the color of their scaly skin. This unique trait known as camouflage allows them to blend in with their surroundings, making it easiest for them to hide from predators or sneak up on prey. The range of colors a chameleon can display varies depending on the species, but some common hues include bright reds, yellow, green, black, brown, and gray. Interestingly, a chameleon's color can also change in response to its emotions, with different colors signifying different emotional states, such as anger or fear. Chameleons also possesses several other notable physical features. Their long, sticky tongues are perfectly adapted for catching prey, while their independently moving eyes provide them with almost 360-degree vision, allowing them to detect potential threats or prey from all directions. Overall, the unique combination of physical characteristics found in chameleons has enabled them to thrive in a variety of environments, making them one of the most fascinating and adaptable creatures in the animal kingdom. Chameleons comes in a various range of sizes depending on the species. The smallest chameleon, the leaf chameleon, is a mere half-inch in length, while the largest, the Malagasy giant chameleon, can grow up to an impressive 27 inches. Both of these species are found in Madagascar, highlighting the incredible diversity of chameleon size within a single geographic region. In terms of weight, chameleons also exhibit a significant range. Some species, such as the tiny leaf chameleon, weigh less than a pound, while others, like the scales, at 2 to 4 pounds. In fact, the Parsons chameleon is roughly the size of a house cat, making it one of the larger chameleon species. This variation in size is a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of chameleons, which have evolved to thrive in a wide range of environments. The lifespan of chameleons varies depending on their environment and living conditions. In the wild, chameleons typically live for around 4 to 8 years, although some species may live longer or shorter lives. This relatively short lifespan is likely due to the numerous challenges and danger that wild chameleons face, such as predation, diseases, and habitat destruction. In contrast, chameleons that are cared for in zoos or other controlled environments can live significantly longer. With proper care, nutrition, and management, captive chameleons can live up to 10 years or more. Some species, such as the veiled chameleon, have been known to live up to 15 years in captivity. This extended lifespan is a testament to the importance of proper care and management in ensuring the health and well-being of these amazing creatures. By providing chameleons with a suitable environment, a balanced diet, and regular veterinary care, we can help them thrive and live long, healthy lives. The life cycle of chameleons. Chameleons' life cycles resemble those of other lizards. After hatching, they eat, grow, and mature within 3 to 12 months, depending on the species. As adults, they focus on reproduction, defending territory, and mating until death. However, 150-plus living species exhibit variations in life history and reproductive strategies. Some chameleon species, such as the veiled chameleon, have evolved a reproductive strategy that enables them to produce multiple offspring in a short period. Female veiled chameleons, for instance, carry their eggs for only 2 to 4 weeks before depositing them. This rapid egg laying allows females to quickly initiate the development of new eggs, which are often fertilized with stored sperm. As a result, these females can produce more offspring than species that have longer gestation periods, giving them a reproductive advantage. Reproduction in chameleons. Chameleons exhibit a range of reproductive strategies, with most species laying eggs, while a select few give birth to live young. Female chameleons typically dig a nesting hole in the ground, carefully laying their eggs inside to maintain optimal warmth. The average clutch size is around 20 eggs, although this can vary depending on the species. The incubation period is relatively prolonged, lasting anywhere from 4 months to a year before the eggs hatch. In contrast, some species of chameleons, such as Jackson's chameleon, exhibit viviparity, giving birth to live young. This lizard can produce between 8 and 30 live babies after a gestation period of approximately 6 months. This reproductive diversity highlights the unique characteristics of chameleons and underscores their fascinating biology. Chameleons, like most reptiles, engage in sexual reproduction. The courtship and mating rituals of chameleons are intricate and fascinating processes. Male chameleons play a crucial role in initiating these rituals, as they attempt to woo potential mates with vibrant display of color. This visual spectacle serves as a form of advertisement, showcasing the male's fitness and genetic quality to prospective females. In addition to their colorful displays, male chameleons also employ a unique form of flirtation, head bobbing. This behavior involves rapid, repetitive movements of the head, which serves as a non-verbal cue to signal interest and intent. Male chameleons will often engage in head-bobbing competitions with rival suitors, vying for the attention of female. If a female is successful in showcasing his color and emerging victorious in these non-physical competitions, he may be chosen. If a male is successful in showcasing his colors and emerging victorious in these non-physical competitions, he may be chosen by the female as a suitable mate. The gestation period of chameleon eggs varies significantly, ranging from as little as 1 month to several months, depending on the specific species and environmental conditions. Factors such as temperature and humidity levels can influence the duration of incubation. Once the eggs hatch, the baby chameleon emerge from their underground nest or from nests hidden in trees or bushes. Notably, chameleon parents do not provide care for their young baby chameleons, also known as hatchlings, are precocial, meaning they are relatively matured and independent from birth. As a result, fend for themselves immediately after hatching, relying on their instincts and innate ability to survive and thrive in their environment. The diet and nutrition of chameleons. Chameleons are primarily insectivorous, with a diet that consists mainly on insects. These fascinating creatures have evolved to thrive in a diet rich in protein, which is essential for their growth, maintenance, and overall health. While they do consume some vegetation such as dandelions and other leafy greens, insects make up the bulk of their prey. The insectivorous diet of chameleons include a wide variety of insects such as grasshoppers, crickets, and dragonflies. They also feed on other invertebrates like spiders, worms, and snails. In captivity, chameleons are often fed a diet that includes commercially available insects such as mealworms, superworms, and waxworms. It is essential to provide chameleons with a varied and nutritious diet to ensure they receive all the necessary vitamins and minerals. In addition to insects, chameleons also require access to fresh water and calcium supplements to maintain strong bones and overall health. A balanced diet that includes a mix of insects, vegetation, and supplements is crucial for the well-being and longevity of these amazing creatures. By providing chameleons with a nutritious and varied diet, they can thrive and continue to fascinate with their unique characteristics and behaviors. Let's look at the dietary habits of chameleons. Chameleons are generally omnivorous animals. They are generally omnivorous animals, meaning they consume a wide variety of foods, including both plants and animal matter. However, some species of chameleons tend to lean more towards a carnivorous diet, while others prefer a vegetarian diet. In the wild, chameleons are opportunistic feeders, consuming almost anything they come across, including berries, leaves, fruits, insects, worms, snails, and even small reptiles. The larger species of chameleons have even been known to prey on small birds. One of the most fascinating aspects of a chameleon's feeding behavior is its use of its long, sticky tongue to capture prey. This remarkable appendage allows chameleon to snag insects like locusts, grasshoppers, snails, and crickets with ease. Since many chameleons are slow-moving, their tongue serves as a vital tool for obtaining food without needing to chase it. Once an insect is caught, it is crushed by the chameleon's powerful jaws, allowing the reptile to swallow its prey whole. This unique feeding mechanism is just one of the many fascinating characteristics that make chameleons such intriguing creatures. Looking at the hydration needs of chameleons, chameleons do not require a large amount of water to drink. However, they do need access to water at all times to stay hydrated. In their natural habitats, chameleons have adapted to obtain water from various sources. For instance, those living in forests often drink drips of water off the leaf or trees after a rainstorm. This behavior is quite fascinating as chameleons have learned to exploit the water that collects on leaves rather than searching for pools or water on the forest floor. In fact, most chameleons prefer to drink dripping water rather than seeking out stagnant pools. This is likely due to the fact that dripping water is often cleaner and less contaminated than standing water. By drinking from leaves and branches, chameleons can minimize their risk of contracting waterborne diseases. In captivity, it is essential to replicate this natural behavior by providing chameleons with a misting system or a water bowl with a dripping system rather than a stagnant pool of water. It is also worth noting that chameleons can obtain some of their water intake from their food, insects, fruits, and leaves all contain some amount of water which can contribute to a chameleon's overall hydration needs. However, this should not replace the need for access to fresh and clean water. chameleon make any sounds? Yes, they exhibit a unique form of communication. Contrary to popular belief, chameleons are indeed capable of producing sounds. While they may not be as vocal as some other animals, many species of chameleon are known to make distinct sounds in response to their environment. One of the most common vocalization made by chameleons is a hissing sound, which is typically emitted when they feel threatened, scared, or angry. This hissing sound serves as a warning signal to potential predators or rivals, indicating that the chameleon is prepared to defend itself. In addition to hissing, some species of chameleons may also produce other sounds such as grunting. In addition to hissing, some species of chameleons may also produce other sounds such as grunting, chirping, or even a loud high-pitched squeak. These vocalizations play an important role in chameleon communication, allowing them to convey their emotions and intentions to other members of their species. Chameleons are typically solitary animals, preferring to live and thrive on their own. In the wild, they can often be found sitting alone in trees, bushes, or other vegetation where they can blend in and observe their surroundings. This solitary behavior is a key aspect of a chameleon's lifestyle, and they tend to only come together with other chameleons for one primary purpose, mating. During the breeding season, male and female chameleons will briefly interact for the purpose of reproduction, but otherwise, they lead largely independent lives, with each other occupying its own territory and pursuing its own interests. Like many other reptiles, including snakes, chameleons undergo a process of skin shedding, also known as ecdysis. However, unlike snakes which shed their skin in one long, intact piece, chameleons shed their skin in small, fragmented sections. This process typically occurs on a regular basis, with the frequency varying depending on the species. Some chameleons may shed their skin as often as once a month. While others may only do so every few months. In addition to their natural shedding cycle, chameleons may also shed their skin in response to stress or illness. When a chameleon is feeling stressed or is sick, it may shed its skin more frequently or in larger patches than usual. This can be a sign that the chameleon is not thriving and may require adjustment to its environment, diet, or care. By understanding the process of skin shedding in chameleons, owners and caregivers can better monitor the health and well-being of these fascinating creatures. Differences between chameleons and lizard. Let's take a look. While both chameleons and lizards belong to the reptile family, there are several distinct differences that set them apart. Three of the most notable differences can be found in their tails, eyes, and tongues. One of the most striking features of chameleon is their unique prehensile tail, which is a characteristic shared by only a few other reptiles. This specialized tail allows chameleon to grasp and hold onto branches, providing them with greater stability and balance. In contrast, most lizards have a non-prehensile tails that are used primarily for balance and communication. Another key difference between chameleons and lizards can be found in their eyes. Chameleons have independently moving eyes that can rotate 180 degrees, allowing them to scan their surroundings for potential threats or prey. This unique eye structure is not found in most lizards, which typically have eyes that move in tandem. Finally, chameleons are also distinguished by their long, sticky tongues, which they use to capture prey. While some lizards also have long tongues, they are not typically as sticky or specialized as those found in chameleons. Chameleons are fascinating creatures that exhibit a range of intriguing behaviors beyond their remarkable adaptability. Beyond their remarkable ability to change color, these solitary animals typically spend most of their time alone or in pairs, often basking in the warm sunlight or branches or leaves. When disturbed, they quickly seek cover among the foliage, utilizing their surroundings to conceal themselves. Chameleons are also skilled hunters, employing their long, agile tongues to capture prey such as an insect and small reptiles. Their exceptional vision enables them to spot potential food sources from a distance, making them efficient predators. In addition to their hunting and social behaviors, chameleons have also developed unique defensive strategies to protect themselves from predators. When threatened, they will often puff themselves up to appear larger than normal, accompanied by a hissing sound that serves as a warning signal. Furthermore, some species of chameleon have been observed engaging in combat with each other, utilizing their tails as a means of defense and aggression. This complex behavior demonstrates the remarkable adaptability and resilience of chameleons in their natural environment. Chameleons rely heavily on body language to communicate with each other, conveying a range of messages and emotions. One notable example of this non-verbal communication is when a chameleon feels the need to defend its territory from an intruder. In this situation, the chameleon will often turn its body sideways, making itself appear longer and more intimidating. This deliberate posturing serves as a warning signal to potential competitors, signaling that the chameleon is prepared to defend its territory. Similarly, when a chameleon feels threatened or senses danger, it may open its mouth wide in an attempt to scare off the perceived threat. That's all for today's program. We hope you've learned something new and exciting about this incredible animal. Join us next time on Animal Life on ARCN TV. I am Fatima Suleiman, thanking you for watching.